All right, Mr. Taliaferro TV, what's going on, everybody? How you doing? All right, Blac Youngsta dropped his I'm Innocent tape today, just moments ago. He dropped a 10-song, 11-song mixtape. You can get it on live mixtapes, whatever you get music. I've already went through it one time. I've already listened to the records where he addresses Young Dolph, and I will tell you pretty much what has happened. What we do know is that in the record Bulletproof, Blac Youngsta is saying that Young Dolph and his team pretty much made a mixtape that the police have used against Blac Youngsta. He's pretty much saying there's a mixtape. The police told him there's a mixtape called Bulletproof, and the 100 Shots record is what we made our case over. This is what Youngsta is saying. All right, he's saying that they when he went down there to 12, when they locked him up, he was like, they said, look, we already got Adolph Thornton, which is Young Dolph's real name, side of the story. Now we need yours. And a couple records, he talks about how he wants Young Dolph, he's begging Young Dolph just to not show up in court. That's the premise of the tape. Pretty much, as a matter of fact, he has people tweeting at Young Dolph, don't show up in court. All right, so that might be something where the people start trolling Young Dolph in the future in his comment sections and in his mentions and everything on Twitter. And another record, he talks about how they were picked up and how he's been lied on, and how Young Dolph, he doesn't understand how somebody could just lie like this out of Charlotte. A shooting happens and you lie and put together this statement. I think in the words of Blac Youngsta, he said he made the mixtape 100 shots, then he went down to Charlotte police and told 100 statements. Again, we don't know who's right or who's wrong in this situation. I'm just telling you what Blac Youngsta said inside of the story. There are two records in particular where he addresses this. The intro, which is the Bulletproof record, and then there's a record towards the end of the tape called I'm Innocent. In both of those records, he's talking about Young Dolph extensively, all right? So this is pretty much his response tape to this whole situation. Remember, Young Dolph made the Bulletproof tape, and the 100 Shots record has been his big record out of that so far. And Blac Youngsta's like, this is why I'm locked up, because this dude made a tape talking about lies. Again, we don't know who's right, who's wrong, who's lying, who's telling the truth. We don't know, and I'm not here to speculate. I'm just telling you the facts. Blac Youngsta says he's begging Young Dolph to not show up in court because that's where it's heading. Again, I don't think Young Dolph will be heading to anybody's courts. I don't think from an image standpoint that he would allow that to happen. Obviously, there would be some sort of film or some sort of, this would get out to the public, and he's a rapper. He cannot show up in court. It's just not what rappers do. It's not the persona that goes with it. We will see how this thing plays out. Blac Youngsta, he says that he's asking Young Dolph not to show up in court because Young Dolph already gave statements, 100 statements in his words, because of 100 Shots mixtape. You can talk to me in the comment box below. Tell me what you think about this. Check out the tape, man. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Thank you for the time, love, support. Don't take it for granted. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Salute. And I'm out. If you're looking to book me for an interview, video, or by phone, if you're looking to have your music or your skill featured on my daily podcast, if you're looking to book me for a speaking engagement to help motivate some kids, if you're looking to have me rock some of your clothing to help promote your brand, make sure you hit me up at booking@itsmrtaliaferro.com. Again, that's booking@itsmrtaliaferro.com.